Hi everybody, it's Elisa here. So today I'm gonna do a vlog, and I haven't done these kind of vlogs for a long time. And some of you asked me on my Instagram, like, Elisa, please do what I eat in a day video, show us like one day in quarantine. So this is the vlog for you guys. To be honest, like after the quarantine started and everything, like for me personally, I'm very fortunate in that kind of sense that for me not much has changed, because I'm already used to like working from home. I am like working from home because I have all my work through like online. Like my clients, we talk through like email, through Skype and everything. So yeah, for me, I'm already very used to staying at home a lot and not much has changed. But anyway, I'm gonna take you along with me today, show you bits of my day, what I eat as well. And yeah, I really hope you're gonna enjoy. And I think for the first thing, I wanna do another video today. So I'm gonna just start by like setting up my camera. So if you are interested, then actually I'm just gonna show you my video setup. So this is how I set up my camera. You are gonna go here, and yeah, and I have this little thing organized because yeah, chair on top of chairs. So yeah, I have my script, and this is where I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna film the video for you. Whew. So I just finished filming the video, and what I'm gonna start doing now, I'm gonna start actually editing it right away just to see if it came out good. And yeah, because sometimes I have to redo some parts, but yeah, so this is what I'm gonna start doing. So now it's time for lunch, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I'm preparing. Firstly, I will boil some rice, and then I think I'm gonna fry some eggs, and then with the rice I'm gonna also fry some smoked tofu pieces, and I have this leftover capsicum, some mushrooms, and I think I'm gonna make a salad with using these kind of things. And here I have also this piece of like leftover like mozzarella cheese. So yeah, this is what I'm making. So I have done work for several hours now, and I thought like what else to show you, because there is really not much happening. I'm just doing some work on my computer, and in a few hours I'm gonna have few calls with my clients, but I thought maybe I'm just gonna do like an office tour. Last year we did like a whole renovation to our apartment, but a lot of it is not ready because yeah, we missed a lot of furniture and everything. So there's no, I think like no point in doing like the full apartment tour yet. But my office is like generally ready, and yeah, I can show you my office. When you step into my office, and this is what you see, this is my office. This is like a wall hanging I got from Etsy. Yeah, I really love it. And here I just have a little plant, but of course this is a fake plant because otherwise I'm sure I will kill it. And this is my desk, and this desk we got from IKEA. This is also IKEA, and this is what we put here actually just a few weeks ago. And here I have my candle and this little vase, and with this like dried, I don't know how they're called, but they're cute. And this picture, yeah, basically just some like accessories. And I love these curtains. As you can see, like my office, it is a little bit like jungle themed. I think it wasn't the purpose, but yeah, it's kind of like looks like a little jungle. And here is my shelves. And I did a video where I showed you like recovery books I recommend. So here are some books, including my book. And again, like a fake plant. And here I have some things. This is from like Vitra. Like my husband works as an architect, and they were invited to Vitra factory, and yeah, this is what they got from like a present. And here is a stone I got from one pottery shop. And here I have some of my stones for some good energy. And these are some pictures actually I made following like a YouTube tutorial, and this as well. And here are some rings I have, and a candle. And these were, by the way, these were, I think it was from IKEA, and they were normal like metal ones, but I sprayed them with this gold. So yeah, I think it looks somehow like better. And here is something I bought for Mona, you know, my cat. So she can come here and she can like scratch and leave her scent. Just thought it's like a good place to maybe have something for her as well. And then this is the last corner I have. This is normally where I do all my filming. And this chair I also got from IKEA. I really love this chair. It's quite big, it's very comfortable. And this was the pillow that came with it, but I added this thing because yeah, I don't want this like white cushion to go dirty very soon. So, and here, this I got from Hemtex. I don't know if you know this store, but this is like a real like marble table. Again, another like fake plant I have here. And this one is like a salt lamp, and yeah, I really love this, especially at, you know, winter time when it's very dark. I can light it up and it just makes it room like so much more cozy. And this is the final thing I have. This one I got it very cheap, but I think it looks great, and I can use it to put my legs on. And I like actually that there is, you know, a little place I can put stuff, but I have no idea what I would put here. but yeah, it's just good to have like a little secret storage. And this is the old carpet I had for a few years now. So, but this is basically the office, and I don't know if I want to add some pictures here, because actually it's like a good filming background. So I'm not sure if I want to have something on the back when I'm filming. Quite like an empty corner, but I don't know. I will see what I will do. And maybe I want to add something here as well, you know, when you come from a corridor, you can see like some kind of picture or something. But this is it for my room, and it's good because last apartment we only had 2 rooms, and I didn't have my own workspace because, as I said, I work from home. So now I can actually come here, close the door, and just do my work stuff and have my calls and everything in private. So yeah, I really love my little office. So the workday has ended, and now me and my husband, we're gonna go out for a little bit of walk, because yeah, we have been working from home all day, and yeah, just need some fresh air and everything. But yeah, this is pretty much the whole boring workday so far. And then we're gonna make dinner, and later maybe I'm gonna go take a bath, do something very relaxing and nice. But yeah, now we're gonna go out for a little bit of walk. So now it's dinner time, and what I'm gonna make for dinner is some oven pasta. I'm boiling some pasta. Here I will fry some onion. So I'm gonna fry some onion, some capsicum, some zucchini, and then I'm gonna make like a sauce with this. It's like soy cream. I'm gonna add the egg, and then on top, of course, I'm gonna add some cheese. And then I have this like leftover blue cheese that I want to use up. so this is it for today's video. I'm about to go and take a bath, a nice relaxing bath, and maybe I'm gonna do also some face mask or something. But yeah, right now it's about like 9 p.m. so yeah, pretty soon I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm pretty tired. I had a long day, but a good day. So yeah, I really hope you like today's vlog. I hope it wasn't too boring, but this was just like, yeah, like general day for me. And yeah, you can let me know in the comments below what you thought about it, and give me a like if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.